Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll be discussing on Frege's distinction on sense and reference. Assume that we have a statement and it must be confirmed empirically. So to confirm the statement, there must be some physical phenomena describing the statement. If there is no physical phenomena describing that statement, the statement remains a mental construct. That means it is logically true, but there is no practical reference. For instance, let's take the term Golden Mountain. Now, this term Golden Mountain, it denotes a meaningful idea, but it doesn't exist. But we cannot say that it will not exist. We cannot prove that it will not exist. So, for example, if I take the statement such as the Golden Mountain is very high. Now, I cannot claim this statement is true, okay, because Golden Mountain does not exist. But neither I can falsify. I cannot falsify the statement also that the Golden Mountain is very high. So, such statements are actually involving contradictions. So, similarly, if we try to form a theory, okay, if we have to form a theory. Now, how a theorem is proved? Okay, there are axioms, and then using the rules of logic, that axioms are combined, okay, and by following the rules of logic, we get what? A theorem. So, let's say golden is one axiom, okay, it is an axiom, and mountain, it is also one axiom. Now both the axioms are true, okay, golden exists and mountain also exists, both are correct, both are true. And if we have to, let's combine it using rules of logic. If it is combined using rules of logic, okay, these two axioms are combined, what we are going to get? We are going to get a theorem, okay. Theorem is formed using axioms by following rules of logic. So we get a theorem Golden Mountain. So this is involving a contradiction that axioms are true but not the theorem. So Gottlob Frege, a German mathematician, he instituted a distinction between sense and reference. So sense refers to intrinsic meaning, and reference, it refers to object. It refers to object. The statement refers. Okay, the statement refers. That means to determine whether the statement is true or not. So, Frege suggested that a term like Golden Mountain, which does not have any physical instantiation, it is meaningful. Okay, it is meaningful, although it is false. So, what he meant to say that just because something that is not having any reality, okay, that is not existing, it is not meaningless. Okay, so it is not meaningless if anything is not having physical instantiation, it is not having any reality, or in practical it is not existing. So it will not become meaningless What he said that meaning is different from the truth. So, Frege's distinction between sense and reference, it is actually contradicting the view of Hilbert, who was talking about empirical truth. So, according to Frege, the inability to prove the truth of a meaning is not a problem because truth is different from the meaning. So, Frege's conclusion is very obvious because our everyday life is filled with meaningful things that are false, like fictional books. Okay, the fictional books, they are meaningful, but still they are false.